Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, managing inventory efficiently is key for growing businesses. Zoho Inventory makes stock management simple, accurate, and fast. Let's break it down. Zoho Inventory helps you track products, manage orders, and automate stock updates across multiple channels. It integrates with e-commerce platforms, accounting software, and shipping providers, so your operations stay connected and streamlined. With real-time reporting and low stock alerts, you can prevent overstocking or stockouts, keeping customers happy and operations smooth. Zoho Inventory gives small and mid-sized businesses the tools to manage inventory efficiently without wasting time or resources. If you want smarter inventory management in 2025, Zoho Inventory keeps your stock organized, accurate, and ready for growth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.